To solve this problem quickly, we are not going to convert this equation into the slope-intercept form to find the slope. Rather, we are just going to write the equation, which is 4x minus 2y equals 6. So we are going to copy the left side of the equation and then equals 4 multiplied by the x coordinate, which is 1, copy the sign, minus 2 multiplied by the y coordinate. Simplifying, we have 4x minus 2y equals, this is 4, negative times negative, that is positive, positive 6. Hence, the final answer is 4x minus 2y equals 10. So the final answer is, or the correct answer is letter A. Okay.